John Van Linen, New Zealand Sotheby's International, and the mighty Manawatu, 68B Manson Street, Terrace End, Palmerston North. We know it's a great location. You can hear the birds in the background. This is a private back section, beautiful new home, 2 years old in fact, double glazed, got all the build guarantees you'd want, but big bedrooms, 3 double big bedrooms, beautiful decor all the way throughout, walk-in wardrobe, ensuite, big family bathroom, but a kitchen to die for with big pantry and all that living flowing out to just this massive deck and privacy and sun. Well, hello, what else do you want in life? It's a perfect home. Let's have a little one through. Well, we hope you've loved this particular home. It's got indoor-outdoor flow like no other home, and as we've mentioned, it's got feel. But also, look behind us for the entertainers, the induction top there, of course, and a 900 oven. So those foodies will love the entertainment feel and style of this house and the indoor-outdoor flow. Now, what we didn't mention is the current owner runs a business studio from home, and of course, that's within a double garage that feels like the most amazing lounge. So, but if you want to convert it back, really easy, really simple. So for those that are looking for that extra, this is the house. Call Michelle and myself as quickly as you can. This is the greatest you can find for modern living in the city.